In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can recover your account here in Free Fire. Before you do dive in this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. But if you've lost access or can't log in, don't worry, this process is actually pretty simple, so let's go ahead and get straight into this. First things first, obviously open up Free Fire and look towards the top left corner of your screen from the home page. Obviously, you're not going to be logged in like I'm logged in right now, but there's going to be an option for account recovery. Go ahead and select it, and it's going to begin the process. Once you do open it up, find the bottom right corner, and there's a button that says Go To. Tap on it, and it's going to take you to a recovery page where you can start resetting your account details. On this page, you do need to enter in a few different things. You need to enter in the email address that was linked to your Free Fire account, and after you do enter it, Free Fire is going to send you an email with a verification code. Go ahead and check your inbox for that email, and take that verification code, return to the game, and type it in the box provided and hit verify. And after doing so, your account's going to be successfully recovered and ready to use again. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. You just have to click a few buttons and you're going to get your Free Fire account back. If this guide did help you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more Free Fire content just like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.